Good morning. This is Mike Mahoney, local real estate agent here in Boston, Massachusetts. And today what I'd like to do is just put out a little information in reference to the Case Shiller Reports, which were released earlier this week. And Case Shiller Reports are published by Standard & Poor's. And what they do is they have some major metropolitan areas throughout the United States that they monitor for home sale activity. They monitor the number of units sold, they monitor pricing, and what they just released for the first quarter of 2011 was that home sales are happening, but prices are down 5%. And so, you know, the average person probably goes home from work at night, or perhaps takes the train to work and reads the paper, or like I was about to say, starts looking at the news. And if you just look at national headlines after seeing the Case Shiller Report release, you would probably imagine that the sky is falling. And you know, that could be true for some areas. They said that it was down as high as 20%. They've used the word double dip recession or double dip in sales. You know, real estate's really a local business. What you need to do is look at it on a case-by-case basis, whether you're buying or you're selling, and try to understand what it is that is going to impact you at the local market level. So in order to do that, what I wanted to do today was specifically look at the town of Milton, Massachusetts, which is a suburb just 8 miles outside of the city of Boston. It's adjacent to a city called Quincy, Massachusetts, where a fair bit of national history was created in the form of a president and a David McCullough book written on John Quincy Adams. So right now in Milton, Massachusetts, there are 136 properties on the market. Now, in reference to last year, there were 109 properties on the market at the same time. So those 109 properties last year, the median price was $609,000. This year, the properties median price of the 136 on the market is $574. So the median price, there's a difference of 5.5%. The average days on market last year at this time was 132 days. Today it's 130. Right now in Milton, Massachusetts, there are 24 properties under agreement. Of the 24 properties under agreement in Milton, the median price of these was $474. In the last 30 days alone, which would be essentially the month of May, there were 20 properties sold. These took on average 130 days to happen. The average original list price was $596, and the average sales price was $551, which shows you the sellers got about 95% of what they were looking for. There were some price changes there. Obviously, they had to reduce their prices, but you know, 20 sales closed in the last 30 days. 136 single families on the market. That's about 6.5, 7 months supply. You know, you would hope that the inventory levels don't creep up any higher. One important thing is, you know, you can find opportunities in this market. There were 31 properties put under agreement in the last 31 days, and 15 of them were listed under $500,000. 16 were $500 and up, but more importantly, 11 of the 16 were over $600,000. So there's some strength in the high price points. You know, do I think prices are falling? I don't think prices are falling as dramatically as the headline news would make you think they are. More importantly, interest rates are probably going to rise way faster than prices drop. So what that does is basically locks people out of the market. If you're looking to buy or sell, get good advice. Get your home in condition that will make it sell, price it competitively. If you're looking to buy, I can show you some opportunities. Love to sit down with you. Give me a call.